If you are a parent concerned about your child's behavior, if you're a family who have been affected by alcoholism, addiction, divorce, if you're an individual struggling with anxiety, if you're a couple really wanting help for your marriage, I would love to invite you to our open house, the open house of Music City Family Therapy. I've been a solo practitioner here in the Nashville area for the last 12 years. Before that, I was in community mental health. I grew up here in Nashville and have a true heart for this city, and would love to invite you to our open house Saturday, September 30th from 3 to 5 p.m. Please stop by and meet me. I would love to meet you and introduce you to my staff, let you see the new offices that we are opening to better serve the community. Please stop by September 30th. The address is 116 Wilson Pike Circle here in Brentwood. Hope to see you there.